All right, man. Yo, it's your boy Sweat. We back with another POV. Right now, I am leaving the outlet, and I'm going to Chick-fil-A. So why not bring y'all along for this quick little ride? And look at this dumbass. He ain't even looking. Fuck you doing, pussy? Fuck. But yeah, we about to take a quick little trip down to Chick-fil-A. This dumbass lady in front of me get out my way. It's gonna be a quick little drive. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Thank you, thank you. I think it's still traffic on this main road, so it shouldn't be too crazy. Oh man. God dog. It's good outside today. Nice peaceful day. For real, for real. Go ahead, sir, cause you not paying no attention at all. Get your dumb ass out the street. I'm a dick. Boy, it's hot as fuck out here today, for real. But as y'all can see, it's very busy out here. Hella people everywhere. But that is life of a Saturday at the outlet. And I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get out of here. But, yeah. Definitely ready to eat. So these people need to get the fuck out of my way. So a brother can go and eat, buy it. I cannot see what's coming at all. It's kinda making me mad. Are you gonna let me go? Oh, you're a real nigga. Word, appreciate you. There we go. Which way did I have to go last time? I think I went straight last time. Which way you going? Are you going straight? Cool. Damn, boy. God damn, shouty. Go, buddy. Damn shit trying to speed up. That's cute. Not worried about your little buddy. It's a nice ass little area. I'll never come on this side. Got Wendy's in the cut. It's the nicest looking Wendy's I've ever fucking seen. But yeah, it's a chill day. Not much going on. I'm just out maxing, relaxing, chilling and grilling, driving like a villain. You know me. And I'm about to find my way in this line. Thank you. Thank you. But I will pick y'all back up once we get on the highway, just because there's so much traffic. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we are now entering the highway, finally. They're waiting at that long ass red light. There is I think it's an M3 comp. Damn, shit clean. But let's just get straight into it. Chick-fil-A, I don't think it's that far, but yeah, man. This is a smooth little drive real quick. We're just gonna get down this highway. A little bit of bobbing and weaving, nothing too crazy. As soon as this car passes, we're out of there. That's definitely a cop. Oh shit. Oh my god, boy. Love this car so much. Why y'all up there hitting the brakes? B58 on her. It's pretty fun once you get used to the car. It's not bad at all. Somebody give me a gap, please. Fall with me. Nice little smooth little highway cut up session, nothing too crazy. Damn. Shit burbling like it's on crack. I fuck with it. I fuck with it for real. Smooth little 70 pull. You know, the 84, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all, buddy. Oh man. Smooth little highway. Trip, nothing crazy. To get the best food, best fast food in my opinion, Chick-fil-A. No cap. That's a nice fit. That's a C5. And there's an M3 comp. That bitch is clean as fuck. Yo, somebody trying to give me a gap? Cause like, I can't, I need a gap bad. I hate being stuck behind slow ass cars. For real. Oh, I'm about to be an ass. Do that for fun. I don't even know why they trying to hold me. I'ma fly down this highway easy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why I love this car. This shit will take a turn fast as hell. Big time. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. But hey, man, as y'all can see, just enjoying my car today. Nothing too crazy. On the way to enjoy a nice little midday meal. Nothing too crazy. As y'all can see, we have made it to Chick-fil-A. And I am Great. Go, bro. Damn. Yeah, let me go ahead and jump my ass on through here. But yeah, you can tell it's good weather. People standing outside, people eating outside. Chick-fil-A is packed per usual, so you know what that means. About to be waiting in a line. If I can find a spot, dang. Please let me find, oh, and I found a spizot. Yes, sir. Sir, you ain't gotta go this far back. God dang, shawty. Yeah, this is why you don't pull in the parking spots. No, not doing it. Not doing it at all. God damn, shawty. But hey, man, I hope y'all did enjoy today's POV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It's your boy Sweat, and I'm out.
Get your girl a check free. She ain't used to text me. Now she want to arrest me.